for another day of Digital Citizenship Week, and thank you for participating in our activities yesterday. Today's topic is copyright. First, you might be wondering what copyright is. Well, copyright is a law that gives a person ownership over the things that they create. This law protects a person from having their original works copied by others and gives the copyright owner the ability to sue people who abuse the copyright on their original work. When something is copyrighted, you will typically see a symbol that looks like a C with a circle around it. There are several different types of copyright, so be sure to check which type of copyright you are dealing with so you know how you may or may not be able to use it. Here are some pointers to be sure you are complying with copyright law on the internet. Never simply copy and paste anything into your work. This includes words, images, videos, audio tracks, etc. Make sure the copyright on that work allows you to use it. Creative Commons has lots of information and tools to help you understand copyright licenses and to find items that are free to use. Know that copyright applies even when you edit or change the original work, so be sure that what you are starting with is not copyrighted. Always give credit to the original creator by citing the source of the copied work. Today at lunch, join your ASB for a fun game of Kahoot where we will quiz you on your knowledge of copyright and internet safety. To be entered into today's raffle, write a Twitter post about respecting copyright with the hashtag for your school, and you will be entered to win a prize. Thank you for participating in Digital Citizenship Week.